Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating power and distance issues. First, make sure the Apple TV is on and within 10 meters without heavy obstructions. This prevents infrared and Bluetooth dropouts. Then, replace or fully charge the remote battery. Coin cells and lightning cables must be correctly seated. Once done, power cycle the Apple TV by unplugging it for 10 seconds, then plug back in. This clears temporary software hiccups, so the device and remote can re-establish a clean connection. Now you focus on repairing and control resets. With the Apple TV awake, press and hold the back and volume up buttons for 5 to 10 seconds until the pairing prompt appears. This forces the remote into pairing mode. If pairing fails, go to Settings, Remotes and Devices, choose the remote, and select Forget Remote, then re-add it. This clears cached profiles that cause misbehavior. Make sure the remote is charged and close to the box while pairing, because Bluetooth range and interference matter. Finish with advanced system fixes and one key tip. Check for a TV OS update in Settings System Software Updates and install it. Software bugs often break remote functionality. If problems persist, back up any app data and perform a factory reset. This removes lingering configuration faults. Finally, test with a spare Siri remote or use the Apple TV remote in your iPhone control center to confirm whether the issue is the remote or the Apple TV itself. This quick test points your next repair step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.